Once upon a time, Buddha was sitting at his place. He saw that one of his followers is coming. The follower came there and asked, Buddha, were you able to sleep well yesterday night? Buddha said, Yes, I slept very well. Then his follower said, But Buddha, yesterday night it was ice fall. There was ice and it was very cold, and your clothes are very thin. Still, you say that you slept very well and patiently, peacefully. How it is possible? Buddha replied, Can you answer my question? Follower said, Sure, why not? Buddha asked, If there is a rich person and he has a very comfortable bed and he has pillow and he has blankets, everything, and there are four servants to take care of him, will that person be able to sleep patiently? Follower said, Yes, why not? He will sleep very patiently because he has all the thing one need to sleep well. Then Buddha said, Think if that person has some disease, he has some bodily disease and he has some mental disease, then will he be able to sleep? Then the follower said, No, then he will not be able to sleep. Then Buddha said, Attachment comes from these things, and because of that, many people are not able to sleep. Unless and until attachment is there, there will be no deep sleep. In fact, for sleep, we don't need fancy bed, fancy house, and fancy infrastructure. For a better sleep, you need peaceful mind, peaceful body, not lot of things. If you have a peaceful mind and peaceful body, then you can experience sleep in extreme conditions also. And also, when you do hard work and you are tired, then also you can experience deep sleep. But when you just have fun and keep sitting, passing your time somehow, and not doing the hard work, then also it will be hard to sleep. So you need two things. One is hard work, and second is peace of mind to sleep. And for that, you need to do hard work. That is the first thing. The second thing is you need to meditate on mind to make your mind calmer. And when you have these two things, then your sleep will be very strong, very sound, and you will sleep patiently no matter what. Even in the forest, you can sleep in hot, in cold. It doesn't matter. What matters is whether you hard work, whether you meditate. Attain, get tired, and also become peaceful while watching your mind. That is the learning from the story.